Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with LinkedIn Campaign Manager for lead tracking. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize with LinkedIn Campaign Manager for lead tracking, begin by navigating to the LinkedIn Campaign Manager website. Log in with your LinkedIn credentials. Once logged in, locate the account you wish to authorize. Select the appropriate account from the drop-down menu, if necessary. Next, click on that Account Assets tab in the top navigation bar. From the drop-down, choose Lead Gen Forms. In this section, look for the Settings option on the left sidebar. Click on Settings to access your account configurations. Scroll down to the Lead Tracking section within the settings. Next, click on the Authorize button next to the CRM integration option. A pop-up window will appear prompting you for further authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process. Make sure to grant all necessary permissions for lead tracking to function properly. After authorization, navigate back to the Lead Gen Forms section. Here, you can create or manage your lead generation forms. Ensure your newly authorized CRM is selected for tracking leads effectively. Review your settings to confirm everything is functioning as intended. Once completed, you'll be ready to track leads directly through LinkedIn Campaign Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.